Welcome to the 11th video in the Pearson Geometry video series. In section 2.3, parallel lines and triangle sums, there are three theorems. Theorem 210 says through any point not on a line, there is only one line parallel to the given line. So if we start with line B and point P, line A is the only one that goes through point P and is parallel to line B. Theorem 211 says that all the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. And Theorem 212 says that the exterior angle measure equals the sum of the two remote interior angles. All right, so let's talk about exterior angles. An exterior angle is created when a line from a polygon is extended beyond the vertex. So this right here, that is an exterior angle. The remote angles are the two interior angles that are not attached to that exterior angle. So this one's attached. These are a linear pair. So the two remote angles are this one and this one. And if you add both of these together, then they add up to this exterior angle. Okay. Let's take a look at a couple problems that use triangle sums in order to solve. Okay, so first of all, we have 59, 57, and we want to find x. So if we add 57 and 59, we get 116. If we take 180 and we subtract 116, then we end up with 64. So that means that x is equal to 64 degrees. Okay, now let's take a look at y. If this is 64 degrees, then so is this, because these are vertical angles. Okay, so if this is 64 degrees, then we can add 64 degrees plus 42 degrees, and we are going to end up with 106. Then take 180 minus 106, and we're going to end up with 74. So angle Y is 74 degrees. Okay, let's take a look at problem 2. In this one, we know that this angle is 35 degrees. This one is 96 degrees, and the three of these add up to 180 degrees. So if we add 96 and 35, then we are going to end up with 131. And if we take 180 minus 131, then we are going to end up with 49. So x is going to be 49. Okay, in order to find y, we're only given this one angle, and then y is this angle right here. But knowing that this is a linear pair, we can take 180 minus 96, and that's going to give us 84. And then if we add 77 plus 84, then we're going to get 161. And 180 minus 161 is going to leave us with 19 degrees, which means that y is equal to 19 degrees. Okay, Theorem 212 is very similar to both of those. See if you can do that one on your own. Flip this over to the other side. Let's use some problems that require the alternate exterior angle. Okay, so looking at problem 4, we've got 75 plus 45 is going to give us the exterior angle here. So 75 plus 45 is going to give us 120, which means that angle 1 is 120 degrees. Okay, let's take a look at problem 5. We know that 51 plus angle 2 is equal to 109. So 51 degrees plus angle 2 equals 109. If we subtract 51 from both sides, 109 minus 51, then we are left with angle 2. And 109 minus 51 is equal to 58, which means that angle 2 is equal to 58 degrees. Okay, try the last one on your own, and we will take a look at this proof in class. See you later.